In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using Hostinger in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to start a personal blog or need a professional space to showcase your business, Hostinger provides an easy to use platform that suits all your website needs. Let's dive right in and get your idea online. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. This platform is specifically designed to make bringing your visions to life as straightforward and hassle-free as possible. Once there, you'll notice the interface is user-friendly, which is excellent for beginners and pros alike. Next, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one effortlessly by following the prompts on the screen, which usually involves entering an email and setting a password. Once logged in, navigate to the Hostinger dashboard, also known as the home page of the H panel. This is your central hub where you can manage all aspects of your web hosting. Now find and click on website from the menu. This is where you'll begin the journey of bringing your site to the live web. The website section is intuitive, guiding you through all the necessary steps with minimal fuss. On this page you will see various options related to your web hosting management. Once you are in the website section, the next step is to click on Add Website. Hostinger simplifies this process by ensuring that everything is laid out clearly. Clicking Add Website starts the process of creating a new space for your content or idea. Then proceed by selecting Create a Website. This step is crucial as it marks the transition from planning to the execution stage. You don't have to be a tech expert to follow through, as Hostinger provides tooltips and hints to guide you. The final step involves 3 simple words: use temporary domain. This is a particularly handy option if you haven't yet secured your own domain name, or if you're still in the process of deciding what name captures the essence of your site perfectly. The temporary domain gives you a quick way to view how your site looks and functions on the internet even before your final decisions are made. By following these steps, you've just set up a basic website on Hostinger in under 5 minutes. Whether you're designing a site from scratch or simply testing the waters, Hostinger's streamlined process has you covered. Continue exploring the range of customizable templates and tools they offer to tailor your site exactly how you want it. And there you have it, folks, a fully functioning website created in just a few moments. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on optimizing and designing your online presence.